Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey, and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. All right, funny, I almost did not record this. I was about to fold up the circus tents and leave, and then I said, wait, I haven't done my intro. So this week we are going to talk about the Eco Styler Cannabis Oil Gel. And it's currently in my head right now. So if you guys want to see how I install, how I put the gel in my hair, my wash day routine, and my feelings towards the end of the video, stay tuned. Okay, as you guys heard in the beginning, I am going to show you guys how I install the Eco Style Cannabis Oil Styler Gel in my hair. If I don't sound very good, my apologies. I have been pretty much home written due to my sinuses. My sinuses I had a sinus headache at like 6:30 a.m. and then it all just went poo right after that. So the back of my hair was already done. I did that in the shower. As you all know, I like to style my hair in the shower. I don't style outside because I think my hair looks better when the products are added while in the shower. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Oh goodness. So go ahead and do this for y'all. I was like, I have to get this video recorded because I want to start on a new product. I just really want to get on a new product. So I'm going to go ahead. I just put the oil in my hair. Now I have my leave-in conditioner that I pretty much forgot I owned. You guys will find out after this what all the products that I use, and I'm going to have everything linked below of what I've used. So here's a funny thing. This is how much gel I have left over. I've been using this a month, and I'm gonna spare you guys all the details of how I feel about this gel for later on. I'll say it that way. I don't want to. Ow! That was my earring. I forgot I have to be very careful with my earring. I don't use a lot. Well, I normally use a lot of gel. I try to use as much as I possibly can, but I need to make sure I have enough for all the sections of my hair. So mainly you'll see it more on the ends and sometimes my edges, of course, because my edges have to look good. I can't have bad edges. Sorry, that's just not gonna happen for me. Sorry. So anyway, what's been going on with y'all? Let's see. Like I said, I'm not feeling too hot today. My sinuses. Sorry, the air kicked on. Shmoogie looked back. I looked back. It's like, oh shoot. Think somebody didn't try to come in the house. Oh no. No. We even had that. So, all right. I know the big thing on the internet is the chicken sandwich wars. That is the silliest crap I've ever heard of in my life, to be brutally honest. I'm not even gonna lie. So Popeye's chicken think they messing with Chick-fil-A or whatever, and I think that's cute that, you know, it's something that's not so serious that's being taken a little too seriously on social media. And I think a lot of people are going a little crazy for like no reason, but you know, I'm not even going to get into that. You probably going to ask me, have I tried the chicken sandwich? No, I have not tried Popeye's chicken sandwich. I'm going to tell you why. Popeyes has horrible customer service. I'm just going to flat out say it. And I know some people are probably going to look at me like, girl, look, yeah, I've not had very good luck with Popeyes sometimes. Popeyes had, I will say this about Popeyes, they got the bomb biscuits though. Those biscuits are great. I do love their biscuits. I do prefer Chick-fil-A over Popeyes, but I'm gonna really give you guys the funniest thing though. But today, I'm not ordering Popeyes chicken sandwich. I'm calling Shake Shack, and I'm gonna get me a chicken shack. I like Shake Shack's chicken sandwiches. There is a Shake Shack not far from my house, and I'm gonna have it delivered because, like I said, I'm not feeling very good. I still have to finish writing a paper. I'm hoping I'll be able to feel well enough to get that paper written because that is the final assignment for my class. I don't want to have to turn it in late, but I don't know. Depends on how my head is feeling. I may have to turn it in late. I've had an on and off sinus headache since about, like I said, 6:30 this morning. So it's been a struggle today for me, a complete struggle to just feel better. I haven't even gone to Target, and I don't know if you all know, Sunday is my Target day. I go to Target like every Sunday. I have to go grocery shop, all of that. I haven't done any of that today, so hopefully I may have to go tomorrow after work. So what I'm gonna do is try to get as much done as I possibly can today, so tomorrow's not so bad. So I'm just hoping I can get my homework done. That's gonna be the thing, because my OT, unfortunately, might not get done. And I'm a little annoyed by that because I would like to get my overtime in. But we'll see. I don't know. I forgot, what time is it anyway? It is 3:20. Is it 3:20? Oh, wow. Okay, I thought it was later. It is 3:20, so hopefully I may be able to get it in today. We'll see. Okay. Now, like I said, I don't have a lot of product left, so I couldn't really get in and do my hair the way I like to. But, you know, it is what it is. I gotta make do with what I have. So, I'm not gonna shake my hair out because my hair is somewhat dry already. Trying to make sure I get in as much product as possible in my hair. Like I said, the back was already done in the shower, so the back's probably gonna look a little bit different than the front because my hair was soaking wet when I did it. So, real quick, I'd like to thank you guys for all the love on last week's video about balancing my life. That video was pretty, it wasn't hard to make. It was just trying to remember everything because there's a lot that goes on in my life. There we go. That's it. I was like, my hair looks funny. There's a lot that goes on in my life and I do a lot of things. So for me to remember everything, that's why I have planners for everything. So it's just one of those things. There we go. There. And that's it. Product installed. I will see you in a second and you guys can see the final look. Okay, well, as you guys just saw, I went on and applied the gel in my hair, and this is the results, as in basically this is first day hair. And let's run down the products that I used, and then we are going to talk about how I truly felt about this product. Let's see, washing and conditioning. I washed my hair with the Long & Luxe Strengthening Shampoo. Conditioned with the Pantene Gold Series Moisture Boost Conditioner. That's what I washed and conditioned with. Deep conditioned. I pulled a oldie but a goodie. The Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. I went back to this because I wanted to do something different. I wanted to get like some extra moisture. I know we're going to go into the winter months soon, so I want to make sure I have as much moisture in my head as humanly possible. So I went with that. For oil and leave-in conditioner, I went with the Camille Rose. This is the Herbal Tea Seal and Soften from the leave-in collection, and this is the Latte Define from the leave-in collection. I almost forgot I had this one. I knew I had all three, but I totally forgot that the latte was a cream. So I wanted to put, like I said, more moisture underneath. So I went with that. And then, excuse me, I am still dealing with this sinus thing. And the star of the show, Eco Styler Cannabis Oil, Cannabis Sativa, I think is how you pronounce it, black castor and olive oil gel. I got this at my local beauty supply for like $3.39, and this is how much I have left after using this for like a full month. And okay, I'm gonna start off and say I do like the gel. I'll just flat out say I do like it, but no, let me give you a pro first. One of my pros, I really like the gel because Eco always does come through and give you the bomb definition. You get the best definition with Eco gel, but the problem with this particular Eco gel is that it is way too thick, that you can't even co-wash your hair. You have to wash it with shampoo. So, and I like to co-wash my hair twice a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I can't co-wash it. Also, you have to use a lot of gel in order to define each of your curls, and sometimes I don't have time to do these small sections of hair and define every curl. And I mean, it's nice for people that don't have to get up at 3:30 in the morning to go to work like I do. And I just wasn't having it. I just was not having it. So you guys saw how I do it. I do my hair the same way with every product, 4 sections, put the product in, and then I would rake it through. And this gel, I think, is better to mold. Like if I want to put up a ponytail or a slick back style, something like that. Or maybe the wet look. I don't even know if it would even work. It may work for the wet look. I don't know. But to be brutally honest, I'm lukewarm on it. I mean, would I buy it again? Probably not. If I needed it for like a 1 or 2 day situation and I had the time to really work the product in and put a nice amount of product in, yes, I probably would do it. But my normal wash and go routine, this doesn't work for it. It's too thick of a gel to use in my normal wash and go routine. I do have pictures of my hair throughout the month, and there are times my hair looked great because I took a little bit more, I added more gel in the shower, but I was in the shower for just about an hour to, make sure I got everything done. Well, it wasn't an hour, but it was way too long. I don't have time. I got things to do. I got papers to write. I got videos to edit and work to do. I don't have time for all of that. So it's just not a product that's the best for my routine. Okay, let's get to the inevitable question of would I buy this again? Probably not. I think I already said that. I probably won't buy it again. Eco has other gels that I like the black castor was really good. The olive oil gel is actually pretty good too. It's been years since I used that one. There's some other ones I've used before I got my hair cut, after I got my hair cut. But this one, I won't be getting this one again. I think I'm good. I think I'm good on Eco. I'm cool. I mean, unless they come out with something that's not as with more of a medium hold, then maybe I'll try that. But I think I'm gonna give Eco a rest for a little bit and go and use something else. I don't know. I just wasn't feeling Eco. I just really wasn't feeling it. So, you know, it's one of those things. And that is it for this video. I am done. I need to make this as quickly as possible because I am still stuffy. I'm still having sinus issues, as you all heard from the early part of this video, which was shot yesterday. And that is all. I'm going to get out of here. I have to start preparing for the next class. I am on break, so I actually start preparing. I told you I'm a planner. I don't BS when I say I'm a planner. I am a flat out planner. So I'm gonna get out of here. If you guys have any questions about this product or any of the products that I use in my hair, please talk to me below. All links will be, I'll link as much as I can in the description box. All my social medias were at the beginning. All my social medias were at the beginning. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I think I did it right this time. I think I did it right. I have to try to remember it when I edit. So subscribing is free and liking is free. So I'm gonna get out of here. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.